I am 34 years of age right now, and this is 8 days worth of growth. I don't shave that often, so I'm going to get it shaved off. I'm going to get the hair cut because I've got to look smart today. I'm going to look my best. Keep watching. How you doing? Good, thanks, yeah. Shaving haircut done. Off to the gym now for 45-minute body pump class. Ah! Just arrived at the gym. 45-minute body pump class coming up. You don't want to see this, it's not going to be pretty. Cheers now. I'm flipping knackered. I find the gym really tough. I've been going there for flipping months and I hate any form of leg exercise. Squats, single squats, split squats, lunges. Horrible. I went for a pee when I was in there, just after I set myself up for the class. And I noticed they've got rules, one of which is you're not allowed to take selfies or take any kind of shot that would identify other members on the internet, so that's probably why I shouldn't be taking this into the gym. Not that I haven't, not that I was planning to, because look, that's not a pretty sight. Now that I'm done at the gym, I'm stinking. Feeling good though, had my shave, had my haircut. Gee whiz, I need to freshen up, this is ridiculous. I'm going to a party tonight and I need to get something to bring, because you can't go to a party or a gathering without bringing something. It's no ordinary party that I'm going to later today and this evening. It's been televised for BBC Abair and I was asked to be a guest on the show, and I jumped at the chance because it's with this real character that's becoming a bit of a legend in the Gaelic world. His name's Torcuil, and yeah, he learnt Gaelic, and I think he's become a good ambassador for Gaelic and for the Gaeltacht. So he's hosting a party, and just cross it over here. I think it's going to be a great crack tonight. So I'm going home now to have a shower because I stink after the gym. I'm sure people could smell me in the shop there. And then I need to pick Claire up from work, and then she's going to drop me off on the way home at where I need to be. Or checks. Whoops. Sorry, you still with me? Balanced quite precariously there. Yeah, so we need to be there for 4:30. We get checks, mic'd. I think there's probably going to be a run through or a walk through. I'll show you some of that because it's quite cool what happens behind the scenes. It's not just what you see on telly, you know, there's quite a bit that happens to bring it to life. So I've got that, and just switch lanes there, nice one. So I'm very much looking forward to it. I'm on my way to pick Claire up just now. I'm showered, I'm clean, ready to rock. I've got my clothes on, obviously. I've got a change of clothes as well, just in case the wardrobe lady says, you know, there's been a colour clash or something, so you've got to take a couple of options sometimes in these situations. Yep, so on the way to pick Claire up, then we're going to go to where I need to be, so then she knows where to get to later on, because she's going to drive tonight and pick up my cousins. So that's it for me. Eyes on the road, boy. Right, see you later. See you tonight. The tickets are on the table, remember? Yep. Okay, right, see ya. So that's me arrived at SW3 where the filming's happening tonight. It's all being recorded for BBC Alp, so I need to be very respectful of the production. I don't want to show you stuff that's going to ruin the programme if you decide to watch it, so I'm going to put this away for the time being, suss it out, get the crack, and I'll update you accordingly. Cheers! So, in here is wardrobe. It's where us guests have our table clothes. This is what I came in, and this is what I'm wearing. Wee glass of red wine to loosen me up, but nervous.
Hands off.
It's nearly showtime. I had a really good fun rehearsal. This Torcuil guy's hilarious, really, really funny. So I'm going to finish with a glass of wine, then I'm going to look over the wee thing I've got to do. So you could crack. Alistair, look at me. You're looking beautiful. I'm going to get mic'd up. Rocking the Trail West boys. Oh yeah, Shawnee, Ian. Showtime is approaching. Backstage, waiting to go on. Vem ska man gå kända?
I'm so talking in a full shaft.
Yes, before.
Will I hear soon?
You feel us a full of it.
You're parting Portugal.
Torcuil is over for tonight.
I should Macaulay. Just got out.
Oh, Claire's hiding.
Ich can Portugal.
Claire Portugal. Gaelic for this vlog, it's quite appropriate I think. Abair. Abair means what tonight? Abair.